Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, I want to find out all about Nasi Campur, and I'm here at Buk Ketut's Nasi Campur Warung, and apparently this is the best one in my region in Mengwi. And what she has here is everything complete. She has her egg, she has her eggplant, and the famous Babi Genyol. And then also they've got the Ayam Sisit, which is shredded chicken, and then she's got her tofu, and then she's got some meat in there as well. So try the Sisit. That Sisit's good, very good. A little bit sweet, but got a little bit of chili in there. The Genyol, it's called Genyol because it's about it being wobbly, and the fat here is wobbly. We had a wonderful breakfast this morning, and the highlight of that dish was the Ayam Sisit. So I've decided to try and make that myself. So you can use pretty much any old chicken, and I've shredded it, and then I've made a paste, and with this paste, it's basically garlic, some small chilies, big chilies, some candle nut, and then also a little bit of coriander seed. So fry out the paste. There we go. So basically fry this out until the paste is starting to smell nice and you've got the flavor of the chilies in there. Add a little bit of coriander powder in there as well. Add a little bit of salt in there. And I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. Not much, probably about 1/4 cup. Put a little bit of sugar in there as well. And I'm going to add in the shredded chicken. Cook that out until it becomes nice and dry. I'm going to get my ayam. Look at that. And what's missing for me is a wonderful sambal matcha. I'm going to put on the side here. Put that there. And then put some fried shallots on there. And here we have my Ayam Sisit, Kampoeng style.